The latest version of Seek and Replace brings two game-changing features designed to supercharge your workflow. With Seek and Replace 2.5, you can now set up passive watch folders. Simply choose the folders you want to monitor, and any new files added will instantly appear highlighted in the main window panel for each workflow. Each folder can have a custom reference interval, 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week, or always, so only the newest files get highlighted. Newly added files after the last drag and drop operation will be color-coded for easy recognition. Double-click a file and it's as if you dragged it directly into the main panel, automatically triggering Search and Replace based on your preset rules. You can select multiple files at once, and pressing the Seek and Replace highlighted button will process each one individually. Seek and Replace 2.5 also lets you define extra destination folders. Click the Add Immediate Destination Folder button at the bottom of the workflow interface, and any files dragged into these areas will automatically be copied to the specified folder. This is perfect for projects with high-activity folders where new files and assets are constantly being created. You can even drag files directly from your passive folders into these destinations. Right-click on a folder to instantly view its contents. With these enhancements, Seek and Replace 2.5 helps you manage large volumes of content effortlessly, so you can focus on creating instead of worrying about file organization. Seek and Replace 2.5 is a free update for all Seek and Replace 2 users. Discover more at ulti.media/seekandreplace.